वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल हाउ टू मेक खापी kodi. So khapi curry, that is fish curry, which is known as khapi. So I have taken for this curry what is needed. Okay, then we need 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 whole onion, a ball of tamarind, half coconut for grinding and half coconut for juice. And these are our Goan button chilies, local. So I have taken it around like 14. Okay, so if you all don't like spicy, you can make it less, but there is nothing else which is going to be added for this. And we have to grind this to a fine paste. Grind to a fine paste. And coconut juice I have removed and kept, so it's like of half coconut but thick one. Thick coconut juice. Okay, let's grind this. And for this fish I have applied salt to taste and kept it. So our masala is ready. So this curry is without oil. Put our masala paste in this. Add water how much you want. So like half cup. This, and now we will keep this for cooking. And then we will add our fish. Once the fish is cooked, then we will add our coconut juice. Boil is come, and now we will add our fish and let this get cooked till the fish gets cooked. Add salt to taste. So after 10 minutes the fish is cooked. Now we will add our coconut juice to this, or coconut milk, and mix. So we'll cook this for only 5 minutes and then it is done.
And here we are, Goan Khapi Curry, Rosachi kodi. Tasty, yummy. Enjoy.